Welcome. In this lesson, we'll explore the various aspects of software development, including the software development life cycle, agile methodologies, software testing and debugging, object-oriented programming, design patterns, and software development tools. Let's dive in. Software development life cycle phases. In software engineering, the software development life cycle, SDLC, defines a structured approach to software development. It consists of several phases, each with its own set of activities and objectives. Let's take a look at the phases one by one. Requirements gathering and analysis. The first phase of the SDLC is requirements gathering and analysis. During this phase, software engineers work closely with stakeholders to understand their needs and gather requirements for the software project. This involves conducting interviews, workshops, and surveys to elicit and document the functional and non-functional requirements of the software. System design. Once the requirements are gathered and analyzed, the next phase is system design. In this phase, software engineers create a high-level system architecture and design the software components and modules. The system design phase focuses on defining the overall structure of the software, including its data flow, interfaces, and interactions with external systems. Implementation and coding. After the system design is finalized, we move on to the implementation and coding phase. This is where the software engineers write the actual code based on the design specifications. They follow coding standards and best practices to ensure the code is readable, maintainable, and efficient. Testing and quality assurance. Testing and quality assurance are essential phases of the software development lifecycle. In this phase, software engineers conduct various tests to ensure the software meets the specified requirements and functions as intended. They perform unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing to identify and fix any defects or issues. Deployment and maintenance. Once the software has passed the testing phase, it is ready for deployment. During deployment, the software is installed, configured, and made available to the end users. After deployment, software maintenance is performed to address any bugs, provide updates, and make enhancements based on user feedback and changing requirements. We hope you found this overview of software engineering and the software development life cycle informative. If you enjoyed the content, please like this video and share it with others who may benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications about future lessons and updates. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next lesson.